Today, we're going to talk about aftercare tips for hair extensions to ensure those beautiful locks stay put. Do not wash your hair extensions for at least 48 hours after attachment, especially if the attachment is glue or keratin bonding. This allows the bond to really cure and keep a strong hold. Do not use just any hairbrush, but rather a looping brush to keep your hair tangle-free. The less tangled your hair, the easier it will be to maintain and prevent a lot of unnecessary pulling. Also, brush as much as you can from top to bottom, holding the root of the hair while brushing. Before going to bed, tie your hair back loosely, and if you can put on a nightcap. Use scrunchies instead of hair elastics and possibly invest in a silk pillowcase. This will help prevent matting while you sleep. Before washing, brush out as many tangles to allow the shampoo and conditioner to penetrate. When shampooing hair, gently be careful not to rub the hair against each other. The open cuticles of the hair can cause friction and matting, making it hard for the conditioner to penetrate. Wash your hair every 3 to 5 days. Keep in mind that natural oils are good for our hair. Do not rub your hair together with a towel when drying. Instead, squeeze as much excess water out and pat dry the remaining with a towel. You can then proceed to part your hair into sections to blow dry your hair. Ensure you dry the bonding areas first to maintain their hold. When styling with hot tools, do not apply the heat directly on the bonding points. This could affect the adhesive. Instead, use hot tools below any bonding areas. Also, before applying any heat to your natural hair and/or extensions, always use a heat protector to prevent further damage to the hair quality. Hope you enjoyed these aftercare tips, and if you like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week on Expert Talk Babes Edition.